Hello everyone. Imagine a business growing so fast that it loses touch with the very people who made its success possible. Its customers. In this lecture, we will explore how businesses can maintain a customer focused approach as they grow and discuss strategies for adapting to changing customer needs while staying true to core values. Let's get started. In this lecture, you will understand the importance of customer centric growth, learn strategies for staying connected with your customers during growth, discover how to adapt to evolving customer needs without losing sight of your business's core values. Customer centric growth means placing the customer at the center of all business decisions, even as the business scales. It ensures that growth aligns with customer needs, leading to long term loyalty and sustainable success. When businesses grow too quickly without considering customer feedback, they risk alienating loyal customers by drastically shifting priorities. They also dilute their brand identity and core values and fall behind competitors who maintain a better understanding of their audience. For instance, a local bakery expanding into multiple locations might lose the personal touch that customers love if it fails to prioritize customer centric values. Think of customer centric growth as tending a garden. When you expand a garden, you do not ignore the plants already growing. You nurture them while placing new seeds and ensuring all plants receive the care they need. Similarly, as your business grows, maintaining customer focus means balancing attention between loyal customers and new markets. Without this care, the garden of your business can wither, losing the vitality that fueled its growth in the first place. Maintaining customer focus during growth requires intentional effort. Let's discuss strategies that can help. Regularly collecting customer feedback helps businesses stay connected to evolving needs and preferences. Use tools like surveys, interviews, and social media listing to understand customer sentiment. For example, an online subscription service can track customer satisfaction through post purchase surveys and identify areas for improvement, such as delivery speed or product quality. Personalization can keep the customer experience unique and meaningful even as businesses grow. Use customer data to tailor recommendations, communication, and services to individual preferences. A streaming platform like Spotify exemplifies this by curating playlists based on your listening habits, making every customer feel seen and valued. Your employees are the front line of customer interaction. Training them to embody a customer first mindset ensures that your values are reflected in every interaction, encouraging open communication, empathy, and problem solving skills to enhance customer relationships. For instance, a retail chain can train staff to provide the same level of personal attention as smaller stores, maintaining quality service across locations. Core values define what your business stands for. Growth can tempt businesses to cut corners or stray from their principles, but staying rooted in your values builds trust and loyalty. For example, a brand known for sustainability should avoid expanding into markets that compromise its eco friendly practices, even if it means slower growth. Consistency reassures customers that they can count on your brand's integrity. Customer needs are not static, they evolve with trends, technology, and market shifts. Businesses must stay agile to address these changes while maintaining their identity. As of technology, it plays a critical role in understanding and adapting to customer needs. Tools like analytics, customer relationship management systems, and artificial intelligence can track behavior, predict trends, and improve decision making. For example, a food delivery service might use AI to analyze ordering patterns and recommend new menu items based on customer preferences. Encouraging dialogue with customers helps you anticipate changes. Social media platforms, live chats, and community forums create opportunities for customers to share insights, helping you stay ahead of their expectations. Testing new ideas through small scale experiments can reveal what resonates with customers. For example, a fitness app might pilot a new feature with a select group of users before rolling it out widely. As businesses grow, it's easy to lose sight of what made them successful in the first place. Core values act as guiding star, ensuring decisions remain aligned with brand's mission and identity. For instance, if a family owned cafe known for its welcoming atmosphere expands into a chain, it must replicate its cozy community driven vibe in every new location. Customers who fell in love with the original experience expect the same authenticity, no matter how much the business grows. Choose a business you admire and research how it has maintained customer focus. Identify one strategy it has used to stay connected with its audience while expanding. Write a short reflection on how this approach has contributed to the business's success. How do you think businesses can balance growth and customer focus? Have you ever experienced a business that grew while maintaining its customer centric approach? Or one that lost its way? Share your insight in the comment section. In summary, maintaining customer centric growth involves prioritizing customer needs, gathering feedback, personalizing experiences, and staying true to core values. These strategies ensure that businesses grow sustainably while preserving the trust and loyalty of their audience. For more such courses, keep exploring with Eduta.